Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. I came across today's craft a while ago and wanted to give it a try. My daughter loved this treat and it has become an afternoon favorite. Big thanks to Beth from the first year for sharing this tasty snack. You need graham crackers, graham cracker crumbs, goldfish crackers, white ball sprinkles, and green and red long sprinkles. For the icing, I use white candy melts with just a touch of blue food coloring. If you use store-bought icing, you can start construction immediately. Since I'm using candy melts, I had to melt the candy and then add the food coloring. Take 1 graham cracker and crumble it into a separate bowl. Take a full graham cracker and spread blue candy on almost all of the graham cracker, but leave the very top empty. Sprinkle graham cracker crumbs covering just the bottom. This will act as sand. Add 2 goldfish crackers. Give each goldfish 2 air bubbles using the white ball sprinkles. You can use other sprinkles to act as underwater sea creatures. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.